it hurts like a stab, but I go through it all again just to be with you. But I know it for the fact that we can never be together. But I don't wanna think that. All I do now is pray, hoping I will wake up. This'll be your bad dream, and you will be next to me. Cause I don't wanna lose my homie Boo. That's probably why I keep breathing this love. Can you feel my pain? What these words that I'm missing you? Tell you why I feel, cause when you left I cried and now you gonna cry. I just wish that I could hold you tight, tell you that I always love you while I'm missing you. I miss this time we had. All you used to run up and hug me and call me late at night, just to tell me that you love me. All the promises that we made, that one day you will be my wife and we will have a family. And I'll still be waiting. I'll be right here till I'm holding ancient. I can still smell your body fragment. You're the reason why I have this patience. Whatever it takes, no matter what happens, I'm here to save you. I'll be your captain. I miss your style and I miss your fashion. I miss the way we made love with the ghetto passion.